glucols, and this is the perfect pairing for the month of September. It's paired with our 16 Cahiers Pinot, and today we're going to be making a fried red taco. So to start, we're going to start with the actual fried bread itself. In a bowl, you just want to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to take 1 teaspoon of salt, add that in, and then 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So we're just going to mix all the dry ingredients together in the bowl. And then we're going to take a cup of warm water, just straight from the tap is perfectly fine. We're going to mix that in until it's fully incorporated. So we're just going to knead it a little bit. And this is a little bit wet, so we're just going to add a little bit extra flour. And we're looking for a nice dough-like consistency. Now you can see it's coming together. And we're going to lightly just knead this. Kneading the dough is going to just ensure that everything is properly mixed. You're just going to want to take your dough, and you basically want to use this part of your hand, and you're going to push out, and then you'll grab the flap and pull it over, kind of like a taco, and you're just going to turn it, and then you're just going to continue to do the same thing. Just quarter turn it every single time. And the knead time, I would say anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes is all it's really going to need. Such a good arm workout. So you're going to know it's done here when you it has like a smooth texture on the outside, and you push on it and it's just going to spring back a little bit. After this, you can take the exact same bowl that you started the dough in, and we'll just place this in here. And then we're going to just cover it with plastic wrap, and we're going to let it sit anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so now we have the dough, and you can cut this dough into fourths. I have 2 of them right here. And then just take your rolling pin, and we're just gonna roll it out here. This is about the size that you want, so this is kind of how it started, and now this is the size that you're going to get left with. And we're going to take it over to the fryer, and we're going to fry this up. So now we have oil that is 300 degrees. If you don't have a fryer, you can use a cast iron skillet and just fill it about 1.5 inches with a little bit of canola oil. And you can do the same thing in there. But we have the dough, and you just want to lay it down and lay it away from you. So if it does splash, it will splash away. The bubbles in there, really nice. Actually, this is our second one to throw in there too. To fry this, it takes about 1.5 minutes. We're going to take it, we'll just flip it. You're just looking for a light golden brown color. If you have it, just take a little bit of salt just to lightly season the side of it. So to assemble the flatbread taco, I've made a little bit of white bean puree. Just about a can of white beans, completely drain it. I actually fried a couple cloves of garlic in the fryer. I like the extra flavor that it gives you. And you can just add all of this into a food processor with a little bit of lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I also chose to do a little bit of ground beef, and I season this with some chili powder, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and just a touch of cayenne because I love a little bit of heat. I've grated a little bit of extra sharp cheddar cheese as well. Next we have a little bit of purple cabbage. I made a little bit of pico de gallo, which is tomato, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, salt, and lime juice. To top it, we're gonna do a little bit of an avocado fan. We're gonna finish it with some cilantro crema, which is sour cream, jalapeno, cilantro, lime, extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of salt. My favorite part. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Very good. Cheers! I hope everybody comes in and tries this. This one's to Jamie, my sous chef wife. Here we go.